Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nepal Tech Hub, and today in this video we're gonna see how to download and install Jenkins for the Windows machine. For the Jenkins there's a requirement. The requirement for the Jenkins is the Java JDK 8 or 11. Yeah, it doesn't support, unfortunately it doesn't support for 17 and the lower than 8 version. So make sure that you have installed Java JDK 8 or 11. To verify either you have, if you are not sure if you have 8, 11 or any other version on your machine, then you can always open the command prompt and hit java hyphen version, and then you will see what version is running in your machine. If you have 8 or 11 version, then you are good to go. As you can see, I have Java 11 in my machine, so I'm going to go ahead and install Jenkins. To install Jenkins, we have to follow we just have to follow the link here, and don't worry about the link. I'm going to post the link in the description below. Once you get the jenkins.io download, there you can see underneath, you will see on the right hand side on the top corner, you'll see the download button. You can select which for Mac or for Windows, whichever you want to. You can select from here, and once you select, it's gonna download automatically. Once you get download complete, once your download has been completed, you can open that up, open the file, and follow the procedure. You can just do next, and here is gonna be the program where it's gonna install it. And yeah, you don't have to worry about the local domain or user. So instead we can just hit the run server as a local system, which is not recommended, but that's what we're gonna do for this video. If you have the domain username, then provide the credential, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna go ahead and run server as a local system. I'm gonna hit next. Then you specify your port. So the test port is 8080. That's by default. If you are under the firewall protection, then you can go ahead and remove the firewall protection, and will be installed everything in the local hard drive, or you can do entire feature will be installed in the local hard drive, whichever you feel good. Go ahead and select the will be installed on the local hard drive, hit next again. So now we just hit install and good to go. And once it's installed, you hit finish, and now you can go to the localhost 8080 from your browser, and you can see the Jenkins login screen. To unlock Jenkins for the first time, you will have your secret credential. Your key will be inside this path. Yeah, you can see from here. You can open that on the any editor, or you can PowerShell or command line. So you from the PowerShell, and here give the path, do cd path, and then do cat, and it will show you. It will give you whatever you have inside that file. Once you get it, you just copy and paste, and then install the suggested plugins, so that you don't have to remember the whole the big long key again. So that once you get plugin installed, you can change your username and password. It's easy and simple. So wait till all plugins get installed. So once your plugins has been installed, then it will prompt you to the create admin user. So there you can give the username, password, and confirm your password, then give full name and email address just in case. Once you give all these, next time you don't have to worry about a long key. You can just do log out. The second time you want to log in, yeah, you just give the username and password, the admin user and password. That's all. Now welcome to Jenkins. This is Jenkins dashboard. You can create your first job and set the agent, or manage Jenkins, install some plugins. If you want to get some more plugins to get your work easier, then you can get the plugins from here. There is many things that you can do, and Jenkins CLI, especially for the CI/CD pipeline, is really a good platform. Thank you so much for watching my video.